Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to download and install the Internet Download Manager FireDoc 19. First, go to the Firefox. Then you go to the media file, this address. Then you go to the software. Go to Speak Up PC. You see this link, Internet Download Manager FireDoc 18.ra. You can click on it and download it. I don't download this because I already got it. And you extract this to folder. First, you can install this. Click to this idm.exe. Click next. You click finish. It's the box to notice you to enter your key, but you click cancel. And most important, you must click in this arrow, and then you use the back. If the Windows is big, you just double click on it. But this is a Windows 7 and Vista, you must right click and click run as administrator, and you click yes. Click back. It will ask you to choose the file to back. You click yes, and you choose the place to put the ADM. I choose C. You go to Internet Download Manager and click IDM. It's batch done. I want to check out this. Yeah, I'm going to go to check out this. Yeah, we go to the help and go to about IDM. If you see the word full, that means you install successfully and you can use this on the Firefox or everything. You can download this. Thanks for watching. Thanks.